Hiding notifications on the lock screen of the Pixel 9 enhances privacy by preventing notification content from being visible when the screen is locked. Here's how you do it. First, open the Settings app from the home screen. On the main settings page, scroll down and tap on Notifications. Now, find and select Notifications on lock screen. Next, choose the option that says Don't show any notifications. Once selected, your notifications will no longer appear on the lock screen. You can also select Hide Silent Conversations and Notifications if you want. Some notifications might still pop up in the lock screen. But in case you don't want to miss most of your notifications but want to silence some apps, then go back to the previous screen and tap on App Notifications. Select all apps and then look for the apps that you want to silence. Then tap the switch to the right of the apps to disable their notifications. And that's it. Now you know how to keep your lock screen clear of notifications on your Pixel 9. Thanks for watching. Drop your comments and questions below, and good luck.